This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We are now inside the house and this is an unusual video. We are gonna do an unboxing, and I guess a quick intro is that I now have an assistant. This is Maya. It's Amri's sister, and wifey, Amri, she's now sitting in the sofa just watching. She's 8 months pregnant. So I have chosen Cybex as the baby stroller, and this is not just any baby stroller, it's electric. As one of the few ones out there. It's very compact, at least. That's good. So let's see now. The next item is this. This is the Cybex Platinum e-Priam Lux Carrycot frame. So this one will be challenging because it takes up a lot of space. So it's very important to check if cars can fit this. Let's see now what it looks like. All right, let me see. Oh, let me move it a bit. So you see, it's fairly compact. So it's in the compact mode, and then we can unfold it, decompress it. And then it becomes slightly bigger. And then we have to pull this one quite hard to tighten the frame. I just have to pull it hard. Also on this side. Okay, let's see. Sorry, that was not anyone farting. It's our dog, our Chihuahua. She makes that sound all the time. So the question is, you see, we can, yeah, bam, yeah, it just sounds really loud. But you see, this is the more this is the way it's supposed to be, which means that how often do I actually want to fold it, right? I don't. I will just have it in this one. So I guess because once you have kind of extended it, you will put everything in here, which means that when I load and unload it in the car, I'll probably have it in this one. So we will see how it fits in a Model 3, right? Or any other car. But let me get it ready. Ta-da! Finally, here we have it. Everything assembled. So I didn't bother showing you all the steps because I don't think you're interested in it anyway. But I'm going to show you. We have an app. So I have turned it on now, and we connected it. So see, you can actually add several devices, and I just call it e-Priam. And then we can see the battery level. Okay, there's no state of charge there. Firmware is up to date. All right, cool. You can update that one. And then we have, it's either tour mode or eco mode. Should be sport mode, right? And then, but one cool feature here is that rocking. So see, if you set it to, you want to rock for 4 minutes, and then you can also say continue rocking if connection is lost, because from what I heard, the Bluetooth connection here is really easy to disconnect. We can try. If I just walk over here with the phone, then suddenly it might disconnect. Or maybe not. Maybe they improved it. Okay, anyway, let's show you guys the rocking mode. Okay. Oh, okay. Start rocking. No, before we rock, we have to do something. Yeah, it says in the app there. So we have to lock the front wheels from rotating. Just like this. All right, and this one. So you can ask yourself, how useful is this feature if you have to do all this stuff? Because there's actually another device that you put here that can be put on any stroller, and then it will do some kind of shaky movement, but it might not always work. Then we have to lock. Okay, so everything is locked in now. All right, and then we start rocking. How cool is that, huh? While wife is busy doing something, paying at the shopping mall or something, then we can just rock the baby. And then you can change the intensity of it also. So see, you're rocking. Okay, if you go to edit, set it to the middle one instead. Oh, I keep bumping into the wrong one. Okay, and then, but one thing you'll notice is that when I change mode now, it does this hard, it's a hard transition, as if it doesn't finish the cycle before it starts the new mode. So you get this hard transition, and then we'll try the hardest one here. Okay, and we just make the baby dizzy. But the fact that you can do all this stuff via motor is just wonderful. But there also are some other features. Let me stop this one. So, but I have to show you guys outside. But when you go downhill, there's a pressure sensor here. We have pressure sensor on the handle, and it will sense when you go downhill and will actually brake for you. I don't think it regens. It probably just puts some torque, negative torque, so that it brakes for you. And also when you go uphill, you push this part here, and then it will help you go uphill. And also if you drive on sand or off-roading, it will also help you do that. But if you actually go downhill and you let go, like me, I'm a clumsy guy, then the motor will brake for you. Isn't that wonderful? It actually makes this safer. And of course I need to range test to see how well it goes. Let me see, let me unlock the wheels again. And then unlock this one. And I can show you guys. Oh, huh? Do you like it? It looks so awesome. It looks so premium. I think it looks great. Wifey loves it. But I'm not gonna lie, it's big. This is perfect because you want something big to put in the cars I test and see how it goes. I think maybe I need to have an extra set of stroller because wifey might be busy using this one, but I also need one when I test the cars. And just look at the handle here, the finish, everything. See, the moment I saw this at the baby shop with wifey, both of us like, whoa. And I think, well, actually the first one we saw was the Priam. This is the e-Priam. Yeah, we found out later, oh, there's an electric version. And here's a switch to turn it on. So we have 4 bars or something right now, 4 dots, so that's fully charged or pretty full. And then this is the brake. So the battery's in here, and then I'm not sure if where's the motor? Do we have dual motor here? Wait, this seems like some kind of cooling. Yeah, I'm not sure, but it should be here. So it's rear-wheel drive, just the way it should be. And then just look here. We have magnets. That is so cool. So, yeah, the reason why I chose Priam and Cybex is that it looks great, it feels great, and is one of the few ones that has electric drivetrain. So I think there's another manufacturer, but it doesn't look that fancy, it doesn't look that premium as Cybex. So now you guys have seen it, the Cybex e-Priam. So yes, this video might be unnecessarily long for some people, and also why the heck did I upload it in the first place? Well, because suddenly this stroller will appear in some of the videos and I start putting it in the car. So this is just a background video to see what the heck is this all about, why did they suddenly appear here. So like I mentioned, it's probably one of the big ones, not the biggest one. We have even bigger ones with twin and stuff like that. But for us, it's fairly big, and also with this carry cot, it makes it quite big. So that's great because I want something challenging to put in the cars I test to see how much space we have without having to dismantle too much of it. And of course, just for fun, we need to try some range test. So the manufacturer, they claim that this electric one here can go 45 kilometers. So yes, in the true spirit of Teslabjorn, I will do a range test. I have a 5 kilo bag of rice I could put in there, plus some other ballasts to make it more realistic. Oh, I popped something out here. And then we'll see, I guess, can it actually go 45 kilometers? That's gonna take a freaking long time. But that will be covered in another episode because, yeah, it's going to take a long time. So I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.